give one copy.
Original copy. Only you see that you can register.
Fine.
You see what is in the law, you do it. Don't make us unnecessarily criticize. Restrain our criticism. We are cooperating. Once you register, then we will take further. Then you are out of the way. But if you register, we may have to, without wanting to open our mouth here.
Today we have come here to file a complaint on behalf of the Trajan Kivalo with respect to the SOPO collection scam happening in the city, corporation of Panaji. So there is a public statement made by the two persons. One is the commissioner, who has made a statement that such thing scam is happening for the last 10 to 15 years, wherein the ex-mayor, Mr. Uday Madkekar, has already revealed in the local media, saying that that is such happening without SOPO being collected, without giving any receipt to the vendors. So this is the public money which has to go to the treasury of the CCP, which is not be going. There is a big scam happening over here. So we are coming here to register an FIR. Such thing is happening with respect to the person in power, the person power in the person. So we come here to file a police complaint to register an FIR and to investigate into the matter.
See, very important, the CCP mayor endorsing the statement of Uday Madkekar, the scam is going on. But he says it is not going on now. Uday Madkekar charge is happening only for the last 2 years. He says it is happening for the last 10-15 years and that nobody will be left free. Our contention is that the CCP mayor does not have the machinery to investigate such a big scam of 10 to 15 years. It is not possible. If he can't handle for the last today, if he can't stop what is happening today, he can't be going back and investigating all this. Therefore, we have come here under the advice and who will be legally guiding us, who has also drafted the complaint. We are also happy with the complaint. And we have requested the PI to get this FIR registered and avoid us from opening our mouth. Then the next we will see next course of action.
Such statement has widely been reported in the local newspaper as well as in the local media newspaper. By the statement made by the two persons, that is the commissioner and the ex-mayor.
How do you think that the scam is going to get exposed? Is there any mechanism or a process that
There are the mechanism with the police machinery. No? They have got all the mechanism. They don't have what the CCP commissioner has said. He is not going to look into it, but it is for the last 10 years. He is not going to leave anybody. What he meant with that, I don't know. Because he has not lodged a complaint to the police. He should have lodged a complaint to the police. He definitely does not have the machinery and the expertise to investigate such a huge scam that is going for the last 10 years.
Trajan Bab, commissioner असे म्हटलं की तो इंटरनल एन्क्वायरी करतो.
इंटरनल इंक्वायरी गावात 15 किलो होता होता 2 महिन्याची जाऊ शकते इंक्वायरी गावात.
He made a statement.
He is only making passing time.
What do you feel, brother? Because statements matter then.
Yeah.
You have given a complaint.
I have given a complaint believing not on the Uday Madkekar but believe on the commissioner. Please understand, he is a government servant and he has got certain documents with him, certain files are with him. And he has said that he knows it. He never said that he would be looking into Madkekar's allegation. He has confirmed and further stretched it to that it is happening for the last 10-15 years.
Do you feel that through your complaint, like how Uday said yesterday, after coming out, the mayor, everybody should be investigated?
100%. Those who are in power and who enjoy power and kept sleeping over this scam or pretended to sleep. You can wake up a person who's sleeping. You can't wake up a person who's pretending to sleep. Those who are sleeping also that time are also now shouting the scam.
As per knowledge,
And what is the fellow? He knows. He says he's got everything. Today. How we can say for the...
That is why we have filed a police complaint to
What
investigate
we
into
want
the
to
matter.
see, we are not here to make charges against anybody. Let us be very clear. Political tamasha will keep aside. There's a lot of political tamasha we can do. It's a very serious charge. There is a very serious charge coming out from the person who's in charge of the CCP, who is having all documents. He confirms not only what is happening now, but he says it is happening for the last 10-15 years.
such kind of bigger level of scams are happening in Panaji city, the capital of the Goa. Do you feel that the CM should also intervene and see?
The Home Department is not CM. Then the company department, no. You can't go to CM now. CM is not going to investigate. That's why I have already told the PR, please get the registered. Don't make us open our mouth. You go after to SOGC and ask what is happening in your department.
So what is the case plan?
See, we are going to follow it up till the logical end. And आम्ही political stunt or drama करपायत नाही. This is a factual thing which has been reported in the papers. So we are going as per what the papers have brought. So if we are saying something wrong, then you have to pull up the papers first. You have to pull up Uday Madgaikar. You have to pull up the commissioner of Panjim City. So accordingly, then you can ask us. But based on the reports which have come on the daily newspapers, we have filed a complaint because we are the first party to come out and file a police complaint. So let it come to a logical end. Policeans are सांगितले की तो काही ना. Then we'll go to the next level of
See,
investigation.
Samil would have been here also. Samil is out of station. He has left all his work in Konkani and come here.
Okay.